Alright, here's 54, the big man. First we gotta get his pipe. We're going down here to his cousin's to use the pipe bender. And ooh, look what I got. Got Murray 12 horse power built. I had to clean the carbs, and so it ain't running that good.
Now that I've cut it, it doesn't look like I need to bend it.
You don't?
That one I don't. But this one,
Oh yeah.
you'll be bit slightly. Just
Alright. And mostly this video ain't on the mowers. It's for a cold start. So we're gonna head over here, and our good friend's gonna start this thing. It's a Ford 100 Custom. I think late 70s. Early 70s.
71.
Oh yeah, that's alright. First we gotta get in here. Show them the YouTuber some pumpage. Come on, baby. Alright, we're gonna head down here to his cousin's. Alright, see ya.